Fine, let us go with the problem number 11 here. Right, a train leaves Hyderabad at 1:15 p.m. on Friday and reaches Chennai at 7:30 a.m. on Saturday. The duration of the journey is, right, it is going to start. So we are supposed to calculate the two things, that is 1:15 it is leaving p.m. and to 12 o'clock and 12 to 7:30. Right, from year to year, that is 12 a.m. This is also a.m. This is midnight, right? This is midnight. So 12 to this is going to be 7 hour 30 minutes. Now year to year we need to calculate. That is 12 hour and 1:15. Let us check out here. So we cannot able to. So let me consider this as 1 o'clock. So then it is going to be 11 o'clock and minus 15 minutes. So which is going to be 10 hour 45 minutes. So that is 10 hour 45 minutes plus 7 hour 30 minutes. It is 5, 4 plus 3 7 and then plus is 17 hour 75 minutes. So this is in more than this, so I'll take 1 hour this side. This will become 18 hours and 75 minus 60, which is going to be 15. That is 18 hours 15 minutes. The answer here is C. Or otherwise you can do in a simple way, that is 12 plus 7:30, that is minus 1:15. So we'll get the same answer, right? 12, that is 30, 12 plus 7 19 minutes 30, 19 hours 30 minutes minus 1 hour 15 minutes. If you subtract 30 minus 15 is 15, 19 minus 1 is 18. So answer is 18 hour 15 minutes.